If you observe the natural numbers, we may feel something is missing. The digit is 0. Okay, therefore, the union of 0 and the natural numbers together is called whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? The set of 0 and the natural numbers is called whole numbers. In the whole numbers, numbers are starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The set of whole numbers is denoted by the letter W. The set of whole numbers is denoted by the letter W. The first whole number is 0. The second whole number is 1. Likewise, the 10th whole number is not 10. The 10th whole number is 9. 17th whole number is not 7. Remember, this is 17 minus 1, 16. 100th whole number is not 100, it is 100 minus 1, 99. Likewise, nth whole number is n minus 1. Okay. Therefore, the set of whole numbers is denoted by the letter W. Even after finding the whole numbers, still the people might think something are missing in these numbers. They found some another type of numbers. Those numbers are also called as negative numbers. Negative numbers. Negative numbers -3, -2, -1 and so on. These numbers are called negative numbers. The union of negative numbers and 0 and positive numbers are called integers. Integers. The set of negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 are called integers. Integers are denoted by the letter I or Z. Z means Jehlen numbers. These word is derived from the Germany. Jehlen numbers. Integers are denoted by either I or Z. In set of Z, we have all the positive integers, 0 as well as positive integers. Z has all negative integers, 0 and positive integers. The set of positive integers is also called natural numbers. The set of natural numbers, the set of positive integers are also called natural numbers. The negative numbers along with 0 is called non-positive numbers, non-positive integers otherwise. The set of 0 and natural numbers are called non-negative integers. The set of 0 and negative numbers are called non-positive integers, and the set of 0 and natural numbers are called together are called non-negative integers. Integers cannot start from -3 and cannot ends with 4. This is just interval of these integers, because integers are the least integer cannot be determined and the maximum integer cannot be determined. Therefore, actually the integers starts from -infinity to so on to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on to plus infinity. This is a set of integers. Here we must notice one point. Natural numbers are a part of whole numbers, and natural numbers and whole numbers again they a part of integers. Okay, therefore from this we can conclude that n is proper subset to w is proper subset to I. That means we can say every whole number is a natural number, but converse is not true. Every natural number is a whole number, but converse is not true. Every whole number is a integer, but converse is not true. Every integer may not be whole number, every integer may not be natural number. Next type of numbers, rational numbers. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P comma Q are integers, are called rational numbers. Now the numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and PQ are integers. Such kind of numbers are called rational numbers or quotient numbers. That's why the set of rational numbers is denoted by with the letter Q, quotient numbers. For example, 3 by 4, this is a rational number. -2, this is also a rational number. 4 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. See, -2 is also a integer. 4 is a natural number. 0 is a whole number. 3 by 4 is a fraction. Therefore, a rational number consists of all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fractions. All kind of numbers together are called rational numbers. It is denoted by letter Q. Seven is a natural number as well as rational number. minus 3 by 2 is it is a rational number because it is in the form of P by Q. You may ask a doubt, sir, 4 cannot be in the form of P by Q. How can you say 4 is a rational number? See, this 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Even minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. 0 can be written as 0 by any number you can keep. 0 by any number is 0. Therefore, every number we can express in the form of P by Q. Therefore, all the natural numbers and whole numbers, integers, even fractions are a part of rational numbers. Again, rational numbers can be expressed in the decimal form. Again, rational numbers can be expressed in a decimal form. For example, 2.79. This is a decimal number. This decimal number is also a rational number. How? Remove this point. After the point, how many decimal digits are there? We have 2 digits. If you want to remove this decimal point, we should multiply and divide this number with 100 by 100. Why 100? After the point, we have 2 digits, 7, 9. If you want to remove this point, we should multiply with the same number which has 2 zeros. The number which consists of 2 zeros is nothing but 100. Therefore, if you multiply this number with 100, this decimal point will go after the 2 digits. It is 279 by 100. Again, it is in the form of P by Q. That means rational numbers can be expressed in the form of decimal. Again, decimals are 2 types. They are terminating decimals and repeating non-terminating decimals. These 2 types of decimals are rational numbers. The first one is terminating decimals and the second one repeating non-terminating decimals. These 2 types are rational numbers. Terminating decimals means, now we've seen such kind of decimals are called terminating decimals. 2.79, 4.625, 8.12345. Such kind of decimals are called terminating decimals. Repeating non-terminating decimals means they may be like this: 3, 3, 3, 3, and so on. And 6.47, 47, 47, and so on. Such kind of decimals are called repeating non-terminating decimals. See, this 3 is repeating and is not terminating. That's why such kind of decimals are called repeating non-terminating decimals. These 2 types of decimals are rational numbers. These 2 types of decimals are called rational numbers.